Hello everybody, Michael Manley here, or M Squared, and today I am doing an unboxing video. I received this yesterday from my wonderful and beautiful wife as a Christmas gift. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack these open. There are 6 comic books of some of my favorite artists. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start an ongoing series spotlighting my favorite artists. And the artists that I have come to enjoy over years. So let's go ahead and get it open and see what we have in here. I ordered these from Mile High Comics. They're all back issues. Well, one thing I can say about Mile High is that they protect the comics well, which I am grateful for. Okay, let me get a pair of scissors. Right back. I'm very excited about this because I have actually been out of the comic book game for, well, honestly, I'd have to say several decades. And so the thing about me is, you know, I really enjoyed comic books when I was collecting them, but I enjoyed the artwork more than I did the actual stories. And I know that may turn some people off, or whatever, but that's just how it was for me. I really appreciated the artwork. So I created a list of some of my favorite artists that I used to collect back in the day, and decided to kind of start collecting again based off of those particular artists. So let's see what we have here first. Oh, whoa. Sorry about that. Sorry about all that noise. Okay. Alright, what do we have first? Crimson. Humberto Ramos. Issue number 1. This came out, I want to say like either early 2000s or anywhere between 1995 to 2000. I want to say the later 1990s. Like, correct me, if I'm wrong with that. But Humberto Ramos, I just love his style, man. It's it's cartoony, and from what I've seen of some of his later artwork, he's changed quite a bit, but it's still good stuff. So Crimson number 1. I'll be doing and I'm going to be doing a review of each of these titles, an actual review and a page through. So yeah, Humberto Ramos, I believe that's how you pronounce his name, was still is a favorite artist of mine, and that's Crimson number 1. Okay, Generation X number 1. Generation X, that was drawn by Chris. Oh, I can't remember his last name, but I'm pretty sure it was Chris something. I want to say B. And I'm not going to open these up until I actually start doing the reviews of the book. Anyway, Chris B. I'll have to look it up, and I apologize for not being completely unprepared, but I just kind of wanted to share this Chris. Anyway, okay, so Generation X. This is actually a foil cover here, and when I first read Generation X, I thought it was so just new and fresh because the mutants were so different, And I'm looking forward to getting back into this, and yeah, I'm just really excited about it. So, okay, so Generation X by Chris something, and I know it starts with a B. I just don't recall it. And this is issue number 1, and it's a foil. Nice. That's when, yeah, that was a very popular 90s thing with the foil covers. So, all right. Batman and Robin, number 4. Batman and Robin number 4. Oh, here it is, right here. Philip Tan. Yes, thank you. Philip Tan. Love that guy. I love his artwork. It's like, what I want to say. I don't want to say realistic, but it's more. Well, it's kind of the opposite of Humberto. It's not so cartoony, for lack of a better phrase. So, Batman and Robin number 4 by Philip Tan. I'll be doing a book review on that. All right. Batman Returns. See, I remember these books. It's just been so long. David Finch. I mean, come on. You know, you got the solid David Finch. His artwork. I mean, what more do I need to say? He's David Finch. He's an incredible artist. Again, I wish I had the linguistic skills to express how I really love the way. Oh, was that done by Scott Williams too? Did Scott Williams do the inking? It looks like that's Scott Williams. Scott Williams is a known inker with Jim Lee. Anyway, so Batman Returns, number 1, drawn by David Finch. And again, my focus is really on the artwork. Don't get me wrong, the writers are phenomenal too, but as I said, I was more fascinated with the artwork than I was with the actual story. Now, if the story was good and the artwork was good, then, you know, that was even better. But the focus is really on the artwork. So, Batman Returns, number 1. The New Ultimates. Now, this one, the only reason why I got this book back in the day was because of Frank Cho. Frank Cho is, man, that dude is just amazing. His artwork is phenomenal, and I just love how his characters come to life, and he just makes them so believable, you know. So, New Ultimates, drawn by Frank Cho, and I'll be doing a review. Is this, what's going on here? Oh, what happened? What is this? Okay, I'm going to have to crack this one open because this one looks like it's seriously damaged, which would be really, well, sad if it is. Oh, no, okay. I'm sorry. That's a fold out. I was about to be hot. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at Frank Cho. Wow. New Ultimates number 1. Frank Cho. Look at all the detail. All right. So yeah, that was just me being, well, ignorant of the fold out of the issue itself. I don't remember it being a fold out, but again, that was a long time ago, so bear with me, people. All right, so Frank Cho, New Ultimates number 1. I'll be doing a book review on that title. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, Teen Titans. Now, I have never really been a big fan of Teen Titans, but Brett Booth, this dude, man, again, and I'm just, you know, as I sit here opening these up, there's a lot of their style is kind of close, with the exception of, you know, Mr. Ramos. His style is very, very distinguished. But I guess if I really look at it, Brett Booth, David Finch, their styles are a little similar, and I could be wrong. And of course, you're more than welcome to disagree. But as I go on studying their artwork, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to describe the differences in them, and I have no doubt that there is. But I'm just saying their style seemed very similar to me at this moment. So okay, yeah, Titans number 10, drawn by Brett Booth. I'm looking forward to reviewing these books. I got to read them. I'm gonna, you know, jot down some notes as far as my take on it. But again, and I hate repeating myself, but the focus is really more so on the artwork than the actual story itself, because I'm teaching myself how to draw, and I want to share what little knowledge that I gain, and I want to share my favorite artists, or the artists that I enjoy looking at with you guys. So hey, if you send me something in the comments regarding who your favorite artists are. You know, can you name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Can you name 6 of your favorite artists in the superhero comic book industry? That's the focus. You know, now if you just really have to, you know, name your favorite artist outside of the comic book industry, that's fine too. But for me, this is what I'll be doing in upcoming videos, reviewing, spotlighting superhero comic book artists that I like. Okay, everybody, that's it. This is very exciting. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there are superheroes that you would like for me to cover or give my opinion or feedback on, put it in the comments, and I will order some of those books and do a book review on. Do a book review on them. I'll get it together, people. Hey, thank you for listening. Happy New Year, and please, everybody, stay face. Wow, stay safe. Okay, and take care. Bye for now. Bye bye.